start of the NC500 officially today.
How excited do you be?
Excited. The furthest north we've been is Inverness twice, and today's the day we go past Inverness.
Nothing like a pretty lock in the morning, is there, love?
Oh, it was beautiful. So we've started this morning on Loch Ness Bay camping. Nice little campsite actually, very well priced. Stunning views.
Even managed to get a drone shot up, didn't you, love?
I did, I got the drone up this morning.
First stop, Dunrobin Beach.
Yes.
Might
Famous Dunrobin Beach.
Might see some dolphins here, babe, if we're lucky.
Who knows? If not, can you do a dolphin noise?
No.
That'll be negative.
No. Come on, let's go and have a look.
The kids have run straight to a park. I'm thinking that sea's quite rough actually. I'm not sure we're going to see any dolphins today, but still very, very pretty. There's a campsite just over there. Dexter's like hanging on apparatus. I don't know, he's got some strength, that boy has. Oliver's as happy as usual. That wasn't bad. We got a little smile out of him. As usual, my lot have always got to make a racket. Do you have to be so loud? Babe, name that tune. Gone with the Wind. This is Dunrobin Beach. This is the most popular beach for dolphin watching on the NC500. You can hire the wheelchairs here, and they've put these bigger wheels on so they can obviously be used on the sand. I think that's a nice idea.
They're not wheelchairs, they're go-karts.
They look like go-karts, don't they? And then these are creatures that we can see in the rock pools. It looks beautiful though. Nice sandy beaches. Well, we've still got 162 kilometres to John O Groats. Car park literally just for cars. You can't have any caravans, camper vans or buses basically.
Hey babes?
Yeah babes, you got yourself a leaflet?
I got me a leaflet.
Yeah, there's harbour seals, dolphins, stints, sea sentry, sea wart, turnstone, rigid, low vibing feathers. I don't know what that says.
Held it up.
Oh. Lesser black sea, black back seagull.
Should we go down the beach then? Should we go see see if we can see anything? Yes. Come on then. What's that say?
It says borrow a sand toy, leave a sand toy.
Oh, that's really nice.
I'm borrowing this frisbee.
Oh, make sure you leave it on the way back then, okay?
I will.
Well, that's a good idea, isn't it? Borrow a sand toy and leave a sand toy. How cool. What are you seeing, Dex?
Dead harvest seal.
It's really sad, isn't it? Right, Emilia's got herself some toys. We're going to go down and have a look.
Yes. We're borrowing them.
Look at this. What a beautiful beach. It's a bit windy.
It's very windy. It's a cold one, that's for sure.
It's
Pretty
gorgeous
beach, though.
though.
Yeah, pretty beach. Bit windy, you can see that in the sea. It's really bad.
I am climbing rock.
What are you digging, babe?
Digging for crabs.
Digging for crabs. Got a nice little hut here that does coffee and soft drinks.
I want a soft drink.
What have we got here?
Wild venison, baguette with fries, mussels, monkfish, haddock, cheese and onion muffins. Well, that's certainly different.
Come on.
So we've just come back to the van, had some sandwiches and something to drink, and the view here has just been lovely. The sun is beating down and you can really feel the warmth in the cab. Obviously when we've got outside though, it's been proper windy, so yeah, we've had to take our coats today, which has been a bit strange for us. So the next stop is Golspie. We're going to hit Dunrobin Castle. We want to have a look at that. Apparently it's based on like a French chateau, so I'm interested to see it, and yeah, we'll show you when we get there. And this is Dunrobin Castle.
Not bad. Huge building.
Yeah, it's been here since the 1300s, you know that.
Yeah, but we'll tell you some more about it.
Dunrobin Castle is the most northerly of Scotland's great houses and the largest in the Northern Highlands, with 189 rooms. It's on the east coast of the Highlands, overlooking the Moray Firth, just north of the village of Golspie and Durnock, famous for the cathedral and the Royal Durnock Golf Club. It's open from the 1st of April to the 31st of October. The castle resembles a French chateau. It has been used as a naval hospital during the First World War and as a boys' boarding school from 1965 to 1972. When you visit, you can visit the gardens, tour the castle and look at the falconry, which is a show displayed at 11 and 2:30 daily.
So we've left Dunrobin Castle and we're now heading for some steps.
YOB steps?
YOB.
Hang on, let me check.
YOB1. What's the name of the steps?
Wally Go steps.
Wally Goss Steps. So it's just south of Wick, I believe, and it's en route to John O Groats, which is our end destination for today. So that's our next spot.
We've just arrived at the steps and there's a tiny little car park that's just at the top. To be fair, it looks like residents parking.
Yeah, not suitable for big vans.
It really isn't suitable for big vans, so if you come down here you're going to get stuck. We're now reversing all the way back. It's alright for cars, and the residents have been lovely and they were trying to make room for us.
She's going to walkie-talkie him. It's good, that.
That's for YouTube, that is.
I was kidding, what are walkie-talkies?
We can talk to each other, see, when we're driving.
I was just going to get in or two drivers, or one driver, I didn't even ask to go on that.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, bless you, thank you. So that chap you just seen there was trying to help us basically get in, and yeah, it's just too tight. One of our friends has just got stuck up there, so they're moving some cars about so we can get out. And we're going to reverse and try and park over the road and walk down if we can. If we can't, then this might be one of those things that unfortunately we're just going to miss out on.
I'm also reversing onto a main road now, Press, so you might have to see me out.
Looks like I'm going to get out, yeah, because I'm blocking his mirror as well. So I'm going to shut up and do my biz. Fair play, all this traffic by here waited.
Sorry.
They were very kind and patient. But yeah,
I go.
that was not pleasant, to be honest. So I think we're going to miss that one, which is a bit gutting because we wanted to see it. But
parking was not good there at all.
It wasn't good and it wasn't safe. So if you've got a motorhome,
don't even attempt
don't bother.
It's, to be fair, you're massively putting on the residents there, because it is a tiny little car park at the end, which is all for residential parking. It's a single lane up and very, very tight for you to even think about turning around. So give that one a skip if I were you.
Yeah, and to be fair, it's not really fair to the residents, is it? I mean, when we were researching about visiting there, we just assumed, like most places, it would be set up for visitors, and it wasn't, so no. Onward! I can see John O Groats.
Where?
Those multicoloured houses down there, look, on there, in front of you.
Is that John O Groats?
That's John O Groats. This is cool. And then you can see Stroma Island over there. Can't believe how clear it is. I thought it was going to be much further away than that. So that's taken me a bit by surprise.
We are John O Groats line.
John O Groats! The end of the road. Huh? Who'd have thunk it, babe? We finally made it here.
That's class.
Got plenty of motorhomes here parked up. Popular spot this, see, babe?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure our campsite's down here.
This is where we're staying. It's the John O Groats Caravan and Camping site, and it's literally on John O Groats. So we'll be able to nip into the gift shop and have a look about as well, love.
Suey.
Oof. Let me get us checked in and we'll get on our way.
Yes, babes.
You right, babes?
Yeah?
I got you a little something.
Yeah? Oh, get in! Brilliant!
I got you a little something else, but we'll show them the stickers.
I like that.
She got
nice.
the 500 with a camper van.
Yeah.
The 500, which is the Scottish country and the Scottish flag.
Yeah.
And then the one you just showed. I also got something else for you.
What you got?
I got you a 500 t-shirt.
Oh, get in! Thanks, babe! Is this really for me?
Yeah, it's large. I'd have got me an extra large.
Fair enough. Thanks, love. Hey! That's going on now, isn't it? Did you not get... Where did you get yourself one, actually?
Oh, I might get one after. Who knows? Well, I got the t-shirt for Charles, but she doesn't want it, basically. She said it looked better on me.
I can't believe you'd say that on TV.
You did. You just palmed it off to me.
I was being nice.
No.
Yeah,
but anyway,
no.
You got
no,
500 there?
No. No.
Yeah.
Man bet always wears t-shirts to say where he's been.
My locations.
Yeah, so if he had bought it for me, it would have been worn once and then put in the drawer. So
if I'd bought it for me, it would have been an extra large. But
yet you fit a large.
There you go. 500 there, but check the back out. Is that cool?
Yeah, so we're here. We've come up from Inverness all the way up to John O Groats. Tomorrow we're going to make it about halfway to about here, and then we're going to, no we're not, we're going to go, tomorrow we're going to go all the way around here, and then we've got Ullapool to do. If they've got Sky on there, well, I can't see Sky, but yeah, that's really cool.
You like that deal?
Yeah. He definitely bought it for himself though, because he is a large. So here's the campsite. We're pitch number 7. They're our friends. And there's the lovely view. Not bad at all. Well, it's a nice small campsite. It's got toilets, it's got a shower block, it's got obviously your Elsa and your water and some bins, and a lovely view. John O Groats post is right over there, and there's a gift shop and other bits and bobs. So we're gonna have a little look around. the last pub, babe. Look at him not listening.
It was miles away.
You're at the land, well, the world's end, is it?
The last
Land's End.
pub. The last pub. This isn't a Land's End, darling. We're a completely different end of the country for that bit.
Ah, same diff. Different end. First and last.
Yeah.
Scotland.
Crafts and gifts.
Oh, there's the sign. You can see everyone stood around waiting for their picture. It's cold.
Couldn't have picked a brisker day for it, could we?
No, it is chilly.
Ah.
So we've got to do the tourist thing now, babe, and wait.
Yes.
Interesting. Christmas shop in April.
Yeah.
Yep.
A little grotto.
That's good. Tartan. Speaking of which, someone asked if you would be willing to wear a Scottish kilt while we're up here.
Yeah, the answer to that's no.
The boys have decided they're going to go into 8 Doors Distillery for a Scottish whiskey. I thought we were going to hit the bar, boys.
Yeah, we can do that as well.
Nice.
It's all about layers.
Layers. Okay.
This one's
It's open.
This is quite cool.
This is really small.
Oh, this is cool. Look, they've even got their John O Groats hoodies.
Whiskey
See
and
anything
honey.
you like?
Yeah, organic handmade soap. I like those. Whiskey and honey.
Can you smell them through the wrapper?
Oh, it does smell of whiskey as well.
Does it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Only problem is you wash your hands, right? You get pulled over by the cops later on, he smells it on your hands.
That's a good point, actually. Zero tolerance here in Scotland as well.
Exactly.
And as it goes, you can't even buy any alcohol till 10 AM, can you?
No.
We've got to go and get ourselves a photo done at John O Groats post now. There's no one waiting. Last time there was a massive queue. We rushed it, big mistake, gust of wind, looked a mess. So it's going to get done again. And here you can book your Orkney Day tours. So £85 for an adult. You can see seals, puffins, the common dolphin. Lots of different things you can do on these. Adults £22 for the wildlife cruises, or £85. Right, can we do it before the